Hey guys, tonight we're going to test this Electro-Torch from HomeRight on a pile of charcoal in this Weber Kettle. Stick around. So this year Santa Claus was really good to me, or should I say Miss Claus, and I got under the Christmas tree one of these Electro-Torches from HomeRight. There's a few different brands out there. Even Harbor Freight makes one for 12 bucks that I heard is pretty good too. This is what I got, and we're going to test it on a pile of charcoal, and it's going to be very unscientific. We're just going to try it out and see how it works. So if you're new to the channel, this is Greenhorn Barbecue Beer. My name is Todd. Be sure to tap that subscribe button and hit the bell so you don't miss a thing. So as you guys can see, this Electro-Torch, it's brand new in the box. Go ahead and open this thing up. Alright. Looks like we got here a few needless pieces of paper and some instructions. Alright. It's known as Electro-Torch Hot Air Fire Starter. Alright. Obviously, always want to read the warnings. To reduce the risk of injury, user must read instruction manual. It's for household use only. I guess nobody told them that we were going to be using it in the backyard. It's got some basic packaging. Kind of the overall feel that I get is it kind of feels like a hair dryer, but not shaped like a gun. It's not that heavy. I've seen other models that are a little bit longer, but for a Weber, there's plenty of reach. It's got this nifty little hook so you can hang it when it's hot or set it down. It's got a nice heavy cord with all the applicable warning stickers. The cord is long. Feels nice and flexible. First impression is that it's a fairly well-made looking little device. A closer pickup or closer shot of that. So the instructions give it a temperature specifications of 1500 degrees Fahrenheit. It's 1500 watts, 120 volts. The cord's 6.5 feet long. It's got a 2-year warranty, and I know you guys are dying to know. Yes, it's made in China. I was trying to look. Yeah, it is UL listed, so it's passed the dummy test. So one of the warnings that it tells you not to do is do not bury the tip in charcoal. Doing so can cause damage and void the warranty. So essentially you want to get it just several inches away from the tip and hold it in one area until the coals get nice and red hot. So I'm going to go with first position. Get a little closer so you can hear it. It's definitely coming alive. And you can see it starting to turn red in there. So I'm going to put this down right next to the charcoal. So for you folks at home, go ahead and start timing it. Alright guys, as you can see, it started this charcoal pile in no time flat. I went for the first position, which is the heat, and I'm telling you, under a minute, the tips of the charcoal were red hot, glowing red hot. I held on there for a little bit longer, I kind of moved it around a little bit, and then I switched to position 2, which is the high hot air, and it fanned the flames into the middle of the pile a little bit. So I pulled it off because it looked like it didn't need much more, and now I'm just letting it spread, and it doesn't look like it needs any more help from me. So I'm going to let this pile go now. We're going to be barbecuing some chicken. So again, I just wanted to show you this little device. Go ahead and check the description for a link to get your very own. Alright guys, so we're not quite done yet. Like I said, we're going to grill some chicken now. Sassy, the Sassy Kitchen Queen, has made some chicken breasts. Got a little bit of her seasoning on there. And we're going to throw them on that electrically generated charcoal fire and enjoy a little hickory chunk while we're at it and have dinner. Hey babe, what you got?
Some chicken thighs, seasoned with some chili lime salt and some cracked pepper and some cayenne pepper.